Hello guys and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you a new functionality in Mesh Morpher, a new tool which is called project. With this tool we can project an entire mesh or a section onto another mesh or another section selection, right? So let's see how it works. We will open a morph target. We already have a morph target here, and let's open project. And let's select teeth and saliva sections, right? So this is how they look. We can go to material mode, select focus, and enable focus uses vertex colors. So each mesh section has its own vertex color, and we can see penetrations here. And we can see that the saliva section gets intersected with the teeth section, right? So we can attempt to fix that. We can select the saliva shader, and we have to select as a target section here the teeth shader. We need to set an offset. 0.1 is probably too big for something this for a section this small, so we will use like 0.03 probably might be good. And let's use the maximum distance here. Maximum distance is the distance maximum distance at which we attempt to project on the target, and the offset is after we find the projection target, we move along the normals by this amount of units, right? So let's see how it works. We will apply project, and we can see that the saliva section has been moved on top of it as much as possible using these settings. But we can do even better, I think. Let's go with the 0.04, and let's see how it looks. This is pretty good. I think we should keep it like this. We can go to move tool and just customize a little bit forward this, sculpt it a little bit forward. Let's make this brush size small, and we can move these sections just a little bit, just fine tune just a little bit. We got the base projection from our projection tool, and now we can just fix small artifacts or smooth or whatever, right? We can also apply automatically smoothing when we project, but for these small components, applying smoothing might not be the greatest idea, right? So let's see how it looks with smoothing. You can see everything is smoothed, but probably we don't need this, right? Yeah. Let's undo, and let's see forward. We have the ability to subdivide and have multiple iterations, but we're gonna test this with a bigger mesh, right? So let's open another mesh. Let's open a body here, meta-human body, and we can go to many. Let's try with many. Again, this is not a wrapper, this is just a projection. If the projection fails, you will see, right? So let's see how it looks with the projecting the body on a mannequin mesh, right? Let's reset this, and let's add multiple iterations here. Let's add like 100 iterations. We can also add subdivision to this projection. Let's add one subdivision here, and let's apply a project. So now you can see that our mesh tries to fit as much as possible the mannequin, right? We can also do it with a brush. We can project with the brush, just sculpt like a normal sculpt tool. You can use projection, right? Like this. And another thing that we can do, we can select boundary vertices. Let's render unselected. And we can see that our boundary vertices are selected here, this yellow line, and we can invert mask and basically preserve this boundary here without moving it, right? So let's see how it works. This is how the projection worked while preserving the boundaries. So we can also do that. We can, if we try to offset it a little bit, we will get a little bit of different result, right? Just a bigger offset changes how the mesh gets wrapped. It's kind of wrapped. And let's go to sculpt a little bit, and we can fix this. Whatever artifact is there, you can fix it, right? So let's see. Kind of like this, right? Okay, and again, if you want to see how sections intersect to each other, go to material mode and select focus, and focus uses vertex colors, and it will show you each section with its own color. Otherwise, if you keep it selected, is the default sculpt material, right? So this is it, guys. This is how projection works. The idea is to not to wrap, is not a substitute for the wrapper, because wrapper will always work better because we have control points. But you can easily fix some stuff. You can get a projection on another mesh that's kind of similar, and get something to work with it, right? So see you around, guys, and thank you for watching. Bye.